Welcome on back, ladies. It's your favorite around the way girl, naturally Candace, and today I'm going to be showing you how I did these super cute Marley twists. For this set of Marley twists, I used the rubber band method, and I only spent about 25 bucks on this hair, and it literally took me 4, maybe 5 hours to do my entire head. I used the triple afro twist braid by the Janet collection Marley Hair. It comes 3 bundles to a pack. In total, I bought 3 packs of hair. They were $8.99, and I used 2 full packs and 1 bundle of the 3rd pack. I also used the Eco Styler Black Castor Gel. You will need a styler to do your Marley twist. You can choose whichever gel or styler you want. I really love the Eco Styler Gel. You'll also need some black rubber bands. My hair store actually had the larger black traditional rubber bands, and I preferred the bigger ones because the smaller ones have a tendency to snag and like pull and rip out my hair. I also used banana clips to help section off my hair, and of course a rat tail comb. I wanted to go with not jumbo but a larger size, so I did pretty large parts in the back of my hair. To make it easier for me, I went ahead and separated each bundle of hair. I used 3 pieces of the Marley hair for each twist. So each bundle of hair broke down into about 9 twists per bundle. So altogether, I have 63 Marley twists in my head. So much for large. I really wanted to do like not 63, I don't know, but once I started twisting the hair, I realized that I had to make the parts a little smaller for the hair to stick and to twist how I wanted it to twist. I tried doing the parts bigger and I didn't like how large the Marley twist was, so that's why I opted with going with a smaller part and ended up with way more twists than I intended. I worked for 2 hours on the back of my hair on, what was that, Tuesday night, and then I woke up Wednesday morning to finish the rest, and it took me about 3 hours, so I guess in total 5 hours to do these Marley twists. The hardest part about doing these twists were I am a little OCD, so some of the twists would kind of have knots in them and would be a little fat at the root. So I kept re-twisting certain twists over and over until I got it to the tightness and how I really wanted the twist to look. The rubber band method is actually super easy to do. You part your hair off into a section, you split that section into 2, a top and a bottom, and then you lay the Marley hair down in between. You then pick the bottom and top piece back up to form a ponytail, tighten the ponytail, split your hair into 2 pieces with the twist, and then just begin to twist down. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's way easier than the twist and roll method. My hands just don't work for one side to go one and the other twist to another. It was just too much for me. So this method worked perfect. And I did not do the twist while you're twisting method, twist the hair around your finger and twist it down. I did a simple 2-strand twist. I just made sure that the 2-strand twist was super, super, super tight. And that's how I got that really like defined tight twist, Marley twist look. And I just twist the twist all the way down to the end, and then I finger roll the hair in between my 2 fingers, and that's it. So I'm going to show you really quickly how you do the Marley twist using the rubber band method. So I applied Eco Styler Gel all around that section of hair, and then I split that section into 2, as you can see, the top and the bottom. I picked those 2 pieces back up after I laid the Marley hair in between, and I grab a rubber band. I then rubber band those 2 pieces of hair together to make a ponytail. Make sure that you're not picking up any stray pieces of hair. You don't want the hair getting caught in the rubber band and you end up pulling out unnecessary hair. So that kind of creates a left and right section with the Marley hair with the ponytail in the middle. You then want to take the ponytail and split it into 2 even pieces to go with the 2 sections of Marley hair. The very first part of the twist that I do is I like to use my dominant hand, whichever piece of Marley hair is in my dominant hand. I take that piece of hair to wrap it around the rubber band to kind of cover and seal it. So the first twist is to cover the rubber band, and then I just start to do a simple basic but very tight 2-strand twist all the way down. On my hair, I like to add a little Eco Styler gel just to kind of get my hair to mesh well with the Marley hair. I twist it all the way down to the end of the twist, and then I finger roll the hair in between my 2 fingers, and that's it. I didn't dip the ends or anything, they naturally just curled up. Even though I had like 63 twists in my head, they are super lightweight. I had no problem pulling my hair up into a ponytail at all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Until next time, Queen, be great.